Malwarebytes is a malicious software removal tool that I recommend that every user puts onto their computer. It has a free version, it's easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So first of all, let's go to Google. Search for Malwarebytes. Now we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on, under Malwarebytes here, we're going to click on download. On Malwarebytes website, we're going to look for the Windows version and we're going to click on the free download. There is a paying version, but the free version is good enough for you. Now that the files have downloaded, bring your pointer down to the bottom left hand corner, left click on the arrow, and we're going to click on open. Click on yes. Now we're going to click on personal computer and click on install. We're going to skip on this. Now going to close down the website and it's now installing on your computer. Once Malwarebytes is downloaded onto your computer, put the pointer on to get started and left click once. If you wanted to upgrade to Malwarebytes Premium at this point you could do, but we're going to click on maybe later. And we're going to skip this bit and we're just going to click on get started. And now we're going to click on maybe later. Malwarebytes is now installed onto your computer and we could do a scan here and now, but what we're going to do first of all is we're going to deactivate the premium trial version. So to do this, take the pointer up to the settings cog at the top right hand corner, left click once onto it. You could leave premium trial on, it will last for 30 days and you get the premium cover, but it will remind you every time you turn the computer on that you're on the premium and try and get you to upgrade to the paying version. So we're going to deactivate that and we're going to click on account, and now we're going to click on deactivate. Click on yes, and we're going to click on yes here as well. So this has now been deactivated and we're now using Malwarebytes free. So what we can do is top right hand corner, click on this cross here and it will take you back to the scan and we can now run our scan. A scan normally takes between 5 and 15 minutes to run. We're just going to let it run and see what happens. Once Malwarebytes has finished scanning, it will tell you if it's found any malicious software on your computer. It gives you a summary of the threats found on your computer here, and as we can see, there are no potentially unwanted programs on our computer, or pubs as they're known. If Malwarebytes does find any pubs on your computer, it will tell you here and it will ask you if you want to remove them from the computer, and you will click on yes. That will remove them from the computer. Malwarebytes may ask you to restart the computer. If so, do so. If not, then you're finished with your scan and you can click on the cross at the top right hand corner and close it down.